Y'all, I'm back with some hair from a company that I've never ordered hair from before, so I'm super excited to see if this will be a new company that we can add to our rotation, or if it's going to be a company that I tell you is trash and we never touch them again. Okay, and that company is Vshow hair. Now, the hair came in a box. The box got beat up along shipping, but it comes in this soft box. I'm super excited to see what's in here because, to be honest with you, I can't remember what I ordered, but if you look in the description box, you'll see all the details and all that stuff. Okay, the color is cute. Okay. So not only did they put the wig in here, they also sent some eyelashes with the wig, a band with their name on it, and those thin stocking caps that we like, not like this one that's on my head. Okay, and they gave a little care card on the wig. All right, Vshow hair. Now I can't lie, I've been seeing them everywhere. That's why when I saw them, I was like, let's go ahead and get some of this, because I know that somebody else has to be wondering just like me. All right, so this wig, reading directly off of here, is 14 inches long and it's a water wave, straight to the point. We don't want to pussyfoot around with anything. Okay, all right, y'all. So y'all know all summer I've been on the hunt for easy hair because it is so hot. Like I said, that feels like temperature here is 113 degrees. No exaggeration. So I need something that's gonna be quick, easy, and not too, too much, because my temper is at a standstill. So these wigs have been my go-to, y'all. These glueless wigs, air wigs, they call them all different types of stuff, but there is no lace to cut off. Okay, you get that 4x4 there, no lace to cut off. Super cute. Okay, 14 inches long and a water wave. You cannot beat that, right? All right, the hairline is pre-plucked. All of that, you shouldn't have to do anything. At least that's what they say. You shouldn't have to do anything to this wig, right? All right, y'all. The cap construction, did I tell y'all the cap construction? Lord. No, I don't think I did. You get that 4x4 parting space up there, and the band has already been sewn in. There are no combs in this wig. All right, y'all. This shouldn't take long at all. Okay, this should be a throw on and go. I am going to wet it with some water, play around with it though, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thought.
I want to ride
I told y'all it wouldn't take any time. All I had to do was wet it, and this is what we got. That's what that hairline looks like right up close. In my opinion, you can pluck that some, but it looks good nonetheless. Look at the lace. All right, ignore my makeup coming off my head. All right, that's not bad at all. I do like the cut of this wig too. I like this curly. Y'all know I love me a curly bob. If I'm gonna do like short curly hair, I prefer it to be in a bob like this, and this is very, very nice. I also think the color is dope. The main thing that I'm focused on whenever I'm reviewing hair from a new company, a company that I've never gotten hair from, is the quality of the hair. Now, I will say the quality of this is very, very soft. It's very nice. I'm not getting any shedding and tangling, but then again, it's straight out of the pack. I didn't have any lace to cut off, right? So I wouldn't expect to get any of that. And this is just bomb. Bomb.com. I really like this, and this is the perfect wig for this heat, y'all. Oof, 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 oof. At first, before I wet it, I was a little nervous. After putting some water and some leave-in conditioner on, and this is what we got, and I think that this is very, very, very cute. And I'm trying to figure out if this is gonna be a contender for me on my vacation, because this would be such easy hair to deal with, right? Yeah. So we shall see, but it's cute nonetheless. I really, really like this one. I got another wig from Vshow here too, to make sure that we want to add them to our rotation or not. So I'm gonna jump right into that one. Like I said, look in the description box, you'll see all the details about this wig and a direct link to it, because this one I can recommend. Let's go look at this other one. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.